Hi, my name is Kristin Benko, and I'm a senior PM in the product planning group in the plan stage at GitLab. This is our 13.7 kickoff. In product planning, we do have shared capacity with Certify, but when we have our split between our two groups, we were able to prioritize some really good stuff for 13.7. I'm going to go through two of the bugs that we're prioritizing, and then we'll get into the group theme for the product planning team. So the first prioritized bug is when adding a sub-epic from a subgroup, the wrong epic is added. I'm going to show what this actually means just with a diagram here. So if we have a parent group with a subgroup inside it, and the parent group has two epics, one's called ID1 apple, ID2 banana, and then the subgroup has another ID1 cherry. And then we take this scenario and we want to add an existing epic of cherry up here into the banana epic. So we would do that by saying add existing epic, and we'd search cherry, we'd choose it and click add. But the bug is that it would actually link to the apple epic. So it's using the #1 ID and it's pulling in and linking to the epic within the same parent group. So you would end up with the apple linked like this. So it's a really important bug to fix, as it's not expected behavior at all that is happening. The second bug that we're prioritizing is ensuring that we don't show a warning when there are less than 1,000 epics on a roadmap. So if we look here at this warning, this has been coming up even on filtered roadmaps where there may only be 50 or 60 items. So the team is going to look at this, troubleshoot, figure out what's going on, and just make sure that this does not show up unless you truly have more than 1,000 epics in the view at the time. So those are the bugs. The second area is our group theme. And so in our group, we are working on building out epic and program boards, which is really important to our customers who want to be able to have boards just like issue boards for their epics. So if we are to look at the entire epic here, it's called epic and program boards. For 13.7, we're getting into allowing users to view epics within their board. And a lot of these are prioritized for 13.7 and 13.8. We're also focusing, while this theme is for our users, to be able to achieve this, we actually have to re-architect onto GraphQL. So a lot of the work for that will also be done in 13.7. And then beyond that, we'll get into creating and deleting boards, allowing users to create new epics within the board and beyond. But for 13.7, the focus is going to be around viewing and as well as the GraphQL migration. The last section here I wanted to talk through is technical debt reduction. I wanted to point out a roadmap speed up render time issue that we're looking at. It's actually really complicated and very heavy to be scrolling left, right, as well as up, down on a roadmap. There's a lot going on that can really slow down the rendering time. So the team is going to look at splitting out two virtual lists in tandem, one for vertical and the other for horizontal scrolling, and try to speed this up. If we get the render time down and it's faster, then it opens up filtering by milestone. We can do a lot more advanced filters up here. Right now, they're way too slow when we do those things. So it is technical debt, but it's actually going to unblock more user features, especially a milestone filter and some other search capabilities within the roadmap view. All right, that is it for the product planning team for 13.7. We hope you have a great release. Thank you. Bye-bye.